Your workout, 4 rounds, as many reps as possible. You're going to just keep counting up in your head. It's going to start with hang power snatches. We're going to be a little bit lighter than we normally would. It's going to be 85-65 for RX. Hang power snatch, he's going to stand that bar all the way up. That bar is now sitting in his belt line. He's going to go to the hang position, which is above the knees, shins back, shoulder blades together, catching in the power position, which means he doesn't have to go down to his full squat. The weight that you choose needs to be one where you're able to bang these reps out consecutively, not just be able to do 5 and have to take a rest. So even though it's lighter, doesn't mean everybody's just going to do RX, because we want you to get a lot of reps here. So as many hang power snatches as you can in that first minute. It's going to beep right over into that second minute where you're going to then go into shoulder to overhead. We're going to dip and drive. You can do push presses. Most of you will be able to do that. But as you near the end of that minute, you're probably going to need to go into push jerks. Save those arms. Go into the jerks earlier than you think you need to. Trying to get as many shoulder to overhead as possible. Then we're going to go into sumo deadlift high pull, wide stance, narrow grip, and please make sure you take the time to reset your stance and grip in between each one of these movements. Sumo deadlift high pull, you guys know the drill here. Pop those hips, then pull the arms. Don't pull the arms too early. It's going to make it a hell of a lot more painful than it needs to be. Keep counting up in your head with your reps. After that sumo deadlift high pull minute, you're getting down on the ground and you're doing single leg tuck-ups. With the single leg tuck-up, heels and hands touch the ground every single time, but it's a tuck-up. So he's bending that knee and he's touching that heel. This is going to be a great rest from that barbell work and a great time for you to accumulate as many reps as possible there. After your single leg tuck-ups, you take it from the top one more time. Hang power snatch, shoulder to overhead, sumo deadlift high pull, single leg tuck-ups. Again, keep track of numbers in your head. And the way this is going to work is you guys aren't going to be able to hang on to that barbell for the entire minute, most likely. You'll probably want to set it down, breathe, and then pick it up again going into the next movement.